Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be using my Ninja Slushi to make Pina Coladas. So you ready? Let's get into this. Okay, for this recipe we need a little bit of water, some vanilla extract, pineapple juice, a little bit of Malibu Rum. We're going the easier route, so we're using Mr. T's Pina Colada non-alcoholic mix. If you've ever ordered this drink at a bar, that's probably what you're getting. And I got an actual pineapple here. I'm just using this for garnish. Totally unnecessary, but I'm gonna do it anyway. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Okay, so our first ingredient here is our Pina Colada mix. Pour that right in here. And a little bit of vanilla extract, like so. Next, we've got our rum, our pineapple juice, and our water. Oop, try not to spill it like I did. Rookie mistake. Then we'll just close this up. We're gonna start up the machine, and we're gonna set it to spiked slush. We got our default freeze level right here. I'm gonna leave it right where it's at because I like the texture that it produces. But if you decide you'd like it a little bit thicker, you can crank that up to the top. And if you want it a little bit less chunky, you can bring the freeze level down. Now all we gotta do is wait. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you wanna learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, our pina colada is ready, but before we pour it, we're gonna prep our garnish. Okay, we'll take our pineapple, slice off the top here. And really all we need is one piece of wheel here. Okay, we'll slice this in half, then half again, and that's going to be our garnish. So we'll just cut it a little bit down the middle, and we're ready. Okay, so we'll pour in our Pina Colada. You can see I like this pretty thick. If you bring the freeze level down a tiny bit, it'll come out a little bit more runny. Just depends on how you like it to come out. All right, there's our drink. We got our straw right there. Ouch. And our pineapple garnish. In fact, you know what? That looks kind of big. We're gonna cut that down a little bit. Looks much better. Whoa! You know what? Back in my 20s, when I was a super lush, Pina Coladas used to be my absolute favorite drink. And tasting this thing really brings me back. Anyway, if you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Slushi that I used in this video, I do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video, you might like to see this video right here where I show you how to make a strawberry daiquiri in the Ninja Slushi. That's another really great drink too. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I am Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.